Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. It is Jessica. Today we are going to do a swirl technique on a tile. I already went ahead and pre-mixed all my colors together. I used Floetrol and water, and I'm going to be using the Sargent art acrylic paint, and the colors I'm going to be using is violet, blue, orange, and white. So with that being said, let's just get right into it. So I'm going to move this off to the side and put this right here. The first color I'm going to do is white. The first color that you put into the cup will be the last color that comes out. So some white. Let's go ahead and do some orange. Blue. Some violet. So let's move this off to the side. Let's bring this back. And let's go ahead. Okay, so I'm going to set this off to the side, and then I am going to get another one. Okay. Okay. So, as usual, we're just going to let this sit here for a little bit, and I will come back and do a close-up. So, be back. Okay guys, let's go ahead and do the close-up. It's been a while. So, I really like how this came out. I'm sorry for the glare and the painting is from the window. But yeah, I really like these colors, and I like how this turned out. I really like this area right here. So this is the second one. This is my favorite. I like how there's little ribbons like thingies going through it. Here's what they look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching, and like always, I will see you next time. Bye.